So this is going to be pretty quick, but I had to talk about this. So basically, Steven Crowder is literal human garbage. So Transgender Day of Remembrance is November 20th, and it's a day to basically remember those who have passed away because of, people's transphobia. And it's a very serious thing, especially when looking at statistics. I mean, the amount of people um, compared to how many transgender people there are in general is huge, like massive percentages, because obviously there aren't that many transgender people. So however many end up uh, passing away due to transphobia, that's going to be a big percentage. So Steven Crowder is a great AD bag, and here's what he sent out on Twitter. He sent out a string of these, by the way, pretty disgusting. He says these all, by the way, have hashtag Trans Day of Remembrance. The first one says, means it's totally fine to cheat in sports so long as you call yourself trans. On Trans Day of Remembrance, let's not forget Stefan Nee, the 53-year-old pigtailed 6-year-old girl. Hashtag Trans Day of Remembrance, there are only two genders. On this Transgender Day of Remembrance, it's central to honor men who menstruate. Hashtag Trans Day of Remembrance is all about men stealing sports victory from women. Hashtag Trans Day of Remembrance, ? When does science get a day of remembrance? By the way, let me throw in here that the idea that Steven Crowder is going to advocate for science when he's been pushing BS nonsense climate change propaganda, you can check out Potholer's videos on those, man. He just decimates him beyond belief. That's so hilariously funny. Like, shut up, dude. You don't care about science. Then he says, celebrate hashtag Trans Day of Remembrance with the triggering. There are only two genders. So, especially this dude is supposed to be the Christian guy. This is the dude who went out of his way to be a virgin until marriage because of his Christianity and his belief in abstinence. So this guy is the one who claims to be Christian, and yet he's being just a horrible human being all around. There's really no other way to put this than you're a disgusting, vile piece of human garbage, Steven Crowder. This is a day to remember the people who are transgender who passed away because of transphobia. This is really nothing to do with your nonsense antics and talking points. This is to do with remembering the lives lost. Especially if you're a Christian, dude, like, this is just not a respectful thing to do in any way, shape, or form. And so I want to let Crowder know, and you guys too, obviously, he's just a piece of vile human debris, vile garbage, a garbage human being personified. Well, there's no need to personify it. He's garbage personified.